how to import leads into Pipedrive. So first, go to Pipedrive and then just click on leads here at the top left. Now from here, you just need to click on import from spreadsheet. Okay, here you can either click on upload spreadsheet, or you can just open your file explorer and then drag and drop your spreadsheet here. Then just click on continue. Since I'm uploading sample data, I'll just choose sample data here. Okay, now from here, you just need to click on next. Then click on next again, and then either you merge the data for duplicates or create multiple records for them. So I'll just use merge data, and then just click on start import. Okay, now from here, you just need to wait for this to finish. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see the green bar here. Okay, once that's done, okay, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.